What's up, guys? So basically, I wasn't satisfied with the last uh, carburetor wash. What I did basically, I kept it in petrol and I soaked it for a day, and I tried to clean it and clean the grease off the carburetor and the smug that's stuck on it and the rust, but it still didn't go. So basically, what I did is I soaked the parts in soda water. Sorry, not soda water. Water and baking soda, and I just attempted to brush it with a normal toothbrush. It's not to my satisfaction. There's still a lot of. I had to clean a lot of grease off of it, but it looks much better than before. There is still some signs of some dirt on it. This is a size 28 for manual, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy some new screws, and I'm gonna do this proper way. I want it, uh, uh, fresh, and I'm gonna try to attempt this to anodize this with a fresh color. But in order to do that, I need to really clean it off. So what I've done here is I'm trying to attempt, after soaking this in baking soda and water. So I'm just using some normal home remedy whitening teeth teeth you know so I'm just trying to attempt and brush that off, so you can see. Just try to attempt and brush it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back tonight in the evening and give you guys an update. Until then, see you guys soon. Peace. Do like. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.